Hello Steam colleagues, in this video tutorial we will delve into purchasing section and start from vessel orders. Please pay attention that depending on your account type, you may have different options in this section. For example, crew members cannot approve orders but can create them or add items to this order, and also approve reception of order. Since crew members have less options, we will start from this part. To begin, you will need to access Vessel Orders section. You can do it either from home page or from left side menu. Now you will be able to see available orders list on the left side. We'll review fresh case when crew member is creating a new vessel order. Vessel order can contain various items inside, it's just a request. To create a new order, select order type from drop-down list on the left bottom side of the page. These order types can be added, deleted or changed in settings by responsible person. Then press Create Order button. Pop-up window will appear, prompting you if you are sure about creating new order. Press Yes. Now order is already created and in the middle of the window you can view its details. Name of the order is being created automatically, depending on your account type and selected vessel or office. When order is being created from vessel side, you will have less options. If you are a crew member, after creation of order, you just need to add necessary items to order and wait for approval from office side and delivery of ordered items. You can easily add items to order by pressing Add Item to Order. Pop-up window will appear prompting you to add item details. Please pay attention that after you will start to type name of the item, for example pan, you will be able to see list of items containing your entered text and can select item from it. In this case, most of the fields will be filled automatically. Category field will be filled automatically if you have selected item from the list. You can enter comment if necessary. Last thing is checkbox have expiration date. Again, you will not be able to activate or deactivate it if you have selected item from the list. Press save button and if everything is correct, item will appear in the order. It still can be edited. Just double click on it and you can change required quantity and leave the comment. Rest fields will become uneditable. Also, if you have added wrong item, you can delete it using cross sign on the right side of item in order. Now we'll review buttons. Send to office button is probably main in vessel order, and as you understand it will send this order to office. Order will disappear from the list on vessel until it will be delivered. Save button allows to save changes in order. Mark as urgent button allows you to make order urgent. Upon pressing this button, order name will be painted in red, meaning that order is urgent and office employees should pay more attention to it. Print button allows you to print order details. In vessel order, you have only one option to print order in two orientations, portrait and landscape. Reject order button is used to cancel vessel order in case of mistake, for example. And dry dock checkbox is used to highlight this order should be completed in dry dock period. Above the list of items you can see order remarks and messages. Order remarks like manufacturer, serial number, type and category fields can be edited manually and mostly used when order contains only items of the same type. Under remarks there is attachments button which is used to upload delivery documents or financial documents. Messages are used to communicate between vessel and office. Some of them will be added automatically on order status change, and also you can enter message manually upon sending vessel order to office. Above the messages and remarks you can see tabs. By default, you will work in Order tab. Order item history will show you actions and items inside of this order, for example, required quantity change. From crew members' perspective, you will just need to wait for office approval and delivery to the vessel. After items will be received, you can upload delivery documents and change status of the order to delivered or ready. Hope this information was helpful. Subscribe for the channel to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.